Hello everyone, my name is Kathleen Smith and I am a teacher at Olathe Northwest High School. I am a part of the eCommunication Academy and teach entertainment video. I am also the 21st Century eCommunication Facilitator. I am one of the Student Council co-sponsors at Olathe Northwest and am a building area representative for our local ONEA. I have an Associates of Arts degree from JCCC and a Bachelor's of Science in Journalism from the University of Kansas. Go Jayhawks! And I will complete my Master's in Education in May of this year. One interesting thing about me is I love life. I am driven by my faith in God and my love for my family. I was raised in the church and Christian values have always been my core values. So I believe in doing what's right, being honest and loving and caring about other people. My family have always been a huge part of my life and they are my heart. I have been happily married for 27 years, it'll be 28 next month, and have 3 children. My oldest is 27, our son is 23, and our youngest is 18. I also have 2 grandbabies that I love to death that are 7 and 6 years old. A summary of my reflective teaching process is that I love the reflective process because it really allows all of us to grow. I believe in the growth mindset. I am inspired and challenged to learn more every day. I do not believe that I know everything, and I understand that I may learn from my students, I may learn from my family, and I'm going to learn from everyone around me. And I'm like a sponge who likes to absorb the water. I believe that the fixed mindset sets boundaries and limits to people. I also believe that we must reflect daily on our lessons and our students, and that each student is different and needs and deserves differentiated instruction in the classroom. I believe by being a reflective teacher daily that I'm going to be able to look at each class taught and make changes to improve my instruction. I also believe that I'm able to make sure that each student is understood and hopefully not lose students in the process. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video as I share a little bit about myself. I am looking forward to our course and have a great day.